Man, I don't know what else to tell you guys, man, because listen, I want to ask you guys a series of questions and then make a couple of statements. And I want you guys to hit the comment section. On every point that I'll make, jot your little notes in the comment section, because I realize something. At the end of the day, most of you guys, and maybe deservingly so because you're coming down here as vacationers, you just want to be sold a Sasua type dream. That's it. Just sell me the dream. So, let's go. First, let me say, fellas, I know how to make a hit video. I already got a Brazil video with over 1 million. I got a Sasua video with I think about 800,000 views. Got another one that's like 600,000 or 700,000. Listen, if I wanted to diddly out like P. Diddy, because let's face it, some of y'all acting like, you know, the guys who now claiming Diddy took advantage of me, grown men, right? Because at the end of the day, they heard all the rumors. They knew dude was slipping Mickeys into the drinks, but they so enamored by the fantasy, being sold the dream, they could be the next this and the next that it was giving up their rear. Listen, fellas, let me ask you guys a question. Did you ever consider that if all I was about was that money game, right? That I could have just sit my butt on those 4 or 5 blocks of Pedro Casante in the suit, completely record girl after girl after girl, and sell y'all that dream. Kind of like dudes telling you in different countries, oh, they do not discriminate. Yeah, okay. Listen, cap, no cap, calling somebody else out, whatever. At the end of the day, what I'm saying is, I ain't here to sell you guys a dream. I'm here to show you guys a balance. From the beginning of my channel, I've gotten dudes who just want to be sold a dream. Yo, what you talking for? Yo, just show us the women. Yo, this, yo, that. Hey, are they all? And some of it you guys are creating for yourself. Let me ask you a question. If 90% of the time you want to attract where you put your energy to, and all you are watching the entire day about a country is just only the strip, is that what you do when you're at home? If every woman that you are talking to, you approach and think that they're all 304 area codes. Hey, baby, show me this. Let me send you a little bit of that. Oh, you 27 and you ain't got no job? All right, listen, I can shoot you a little something. Show me a little this. Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, you're so fine. Every girl, the same approach. Every scenario, the same thing. You don't want to learn about the culture. You want to believe everybody's 304s, right? What you think you're going to get? You're going to get 304s. The good women, if they were all 304s, and you're getting them to be 304s, if they were all that way, why is it they're hiding it from their family? You ever thought about that? If they're a good woman, why should they want you as a man if you are not even conducting yourself as a quote-unquote upright, upstanding individuals where your morals and your values is not treating every woman like a 304? Why would her family accept you? Newsflash, these countries don't view men who are acquiring 304s as good men. Just because you don't view her being a 304 as a good woman. Never thought about that? If all you want to do is just watch the 304s walk up and down the strip all day, every day for hours because things are rough for you, where you from, and then you want me to sell you the dream, why must I make my channel into one of many hundreds of channels that already exist out there to do what? Bend over backward for you? Get out of here. Listen, you get where you put your energy to. Every place is a combination. Every person is a balance of different things. I live here. I'm not vacationing here. I ain't here to sell you guys a dream of every girl gonna be available for you. They ain't gonna discriminate. Everyone gonna be what you want or like you or want you, and you know, all you gotta do is break some bread. That is not the reality of this country, this island, many other countries I've been to, Brazil, Colombia, You get what you're around. If you happen to be the individual who always paying, you will tend to get girls who want you to pay. If you're the individual who like, oh, shorty is this type. Nah, that ain't what I'm about, shorty. Thank you. Oh, you lied to me? I'm out of here. Oh, I'm looking for a certain type. You're going to get a certain type with time. If all you want is a channel where the dude just shoots what he does and gets thousands and thousands of views because it's all about the money for him, go over there. You're going to get what you want. Just like if you want the girl on the strip, you know where you got to go to get that. But you don't go to the girl who is going to church every Sunday, every Monday, every Thursday, always with her family, don't go to a club, don't drink, don't smoke, and then tell her, hey, baby, let me give you some money so you could do some strange things. You're not going to get that. You're not going to get her. You're going to insult her unless she typed already about that and then go hide it for her family because she already know they ain't all 304s because it's unacceptable to that class of her people. You understand me? Whereas you got to think about it. Or, hey, I'm pulling the band-aids off on this one. If you the type that out there thinking it's okay to just go pay for play all the time, where does that lead you with your morals and values, but yet you want the type of woman who looks at that as a bad moral and bad values? Can't have it both ways, fellas. Listen to me. If I just wanted this video to get thousands and thousands of views, I could have just string together the best looking things, say nothing, drop a little bit of music on there, do a little bit of slow editing. I give you guys a balance. You understand me? And in order for you guys to look, and I know how you guys search, you love that word SOSUA. I understand that from a business perspective too. I could just put that in the titles and all of that, and it'll attract some of you guys. But I'll lose a million of you who, when you realize it's not all you're seeing, you're like, yo, but where's the 304s at? But I'm taking a band-aid off, man. You guys got to hear the real sometimes. And some of it is you guys are out there creating your realities as you complain about some of the women that you can't find a good one in the United States or wherever you're living. You're creating it in other countries too. You're sitting there and you're treating every woman that you see online with a, hey, baby, let me drop you some change just because. Oh, baby, you're so beautiful. You love bombing them. You're just leading with your wallet every moment, every second. So coming from a country where you can literally multiply the US dollar or the Canadian into a bunch more money, you guys are turning a lot of younger women and women who are trying to live a normal life, the minute they get a rough time, into hidden 304s and part-timers. And then when you get burned, you're complaining, oh, they all 304s. You all producing 304s. You can't discern between a normal woman and a woman who is not about that, who you should just leave alone. And apparently the same with the content. I'm not your 304, you're not my tricks.